All right, guys, I don't know how this works with you guys, but here we are. I am going to try to log into my FTP information with the information that you guys have given me, okay? This is the default information that you guys provide, all right? Now, here we are, okay? Here you got to redo this, and then we show the password, right? I'll just type it in because I know my password, right? 422. Okay. As you can see, it does not work. Okay, this is the default information that you guys give. Now this is on my site's been restored. You finally restored it after 24 days. It finally was restored. Now what I do is I have to reset the password. And once I can reset the password, right, I can log in. Typically the reset password takes about 10 minutes, but now it doesn't even work. I literally have to talk to you guys to do any work. And that's just not right. You guys cannot set this up where I can't use a service. This is ridiculous because this takes 35, 40 minutes. I'm in a queue. It doesn't even show, but there's two more people. I can't work. Okay? It can't work. This needs to work without having to access you guys. It's insanity.